Everyone, good morning guys. Maayong buntag sa tanan, especially to all nurses and teachers as well. Guys, naatay live webinar today. Ang mga panelists are the teachers, who else? Full-time mom and hairstylist. Guys, if you really wanna know how they achieve their success, kung giunsa jud nila pagka-success beyond their jobs, guys, watch out o kanang watch the webinar ug tan-awa ang ilang or paminawa ang ilang mga testimonies nganong nag-start sila sa business. Okay, karong buntag guys, it's supposed to be 10 but I will post my website on this video as well. So guys, kung kamo diha mga teachers, this is your opportunity to watch listen to this testimony, especially sa mga teachers nato diha na gusto mag-consider about starting a business while juggling as a parent and also as a teacher. Okay, sige guys, kini jud siguro opportunity na ninyo to change your life, ha?